Hi, I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru, with a great recipe I call monte poached seafood. The concept of poaching seafood has been around for thousands of years. Today, I'm going to teach you how to supersize it. We're going to poach salmon, lobster, and shrimp in butter. But first, we have to make a slight chemical alteration so that the butter stays emulsified and does not separate. To make beurre monte, we need a saucepan, 3 ice cubes, and a pound of butter. We turn on the heat and add 3 ice cubes to the saucepan. Add the butter 1 chunk at a time and stir until it's dissolved. And repeat this process until all the butter is added to the sauce. Try to keep the temperature of the butter between 180 and 190 degrees. Do not let the butter boil. Now we add the seafood, a nice fillet of salmon, a lobster tail, and 2 colossal shrimp. Let the seafood poach for 5 to 10 minutes. The 190-degree temperature keeps the fish moist, juicy, and succulent. Never overcook seafood. If you want better tasting fish today, cook it less than you did yesterday. Test the fish for doneness by inserting a fork. If it resists, it needs more time. If it slides in and out easily, the fish is done. This is beurre monte poached seafood. I'm Peter Harmon, and this has been another Food Guru Moment.